Hi, I'm Norbert from Budapest, and in this video I would like to teach you a couple of words, phrases and sentences in Hungarian. Let's start with the greetings. Similarly to other languages, we also have informal and formal greetings. Formal one sounds like Jó napot kívánok, meaning good day to you. It consists of three words, Jó, napot, kívánok. It's easy, Jó napot kívánok, good day to you. And the informal one sounds Szia. It could sound familiar to you as in English we sometimes say Szia, but in Hungarian we say Szia in a shortened way. And if you would like to say goodbye, we can also do that in formal and informal ways. The formal one sounds like Viszontlátásra, see you next time. Viszontlátásra, two words, two relatively easy words, Viszontlátásra, see you next time. And the informal one sounds ciao, like in Italian, or Szia, similarly to the greetings, which we already talked about. In case we would like to say thank you in Hungarian, we say Köszönöm, which is like the longer form or more like the formal version. Or if it's too complicated, you can also say köszi. Köszönöm or köszi. Köszönöm, thank you, or köszi, like thanks. And as for please, we also have a relatively longer and the shorter version. The longer one sounds Kérem, szépen, Kérem, szépen, two words, Kérem, szépen, please. This is the formal version, and Kérlek, only one word, Kérlek. It's the shorter, it's the informal version of please. Now comes the easy part. Yes or no? Igen or nem? Igen, yes. Nem, no. And now comes the nightmare of the Hungarian words. Egészségére. Sounds pretty rough, right? It means cheers. Okay, let's jump into it. Egészségére. Egészségére. It's really long and difficult to pronounce, I know. I know that it is really hard to pronounce, so that's why I'm going to give you a shorter form of egészségére. It sounds X. Cheers. X. Cheers. Hey, how you doing? I know that it's familiar from Friends. This is what Joey always said. And it sounds hogy, vagy in Hungarian. Hogy, vagy. Well, not really, it's of course just a joke, but I know that it's hard to pronounce as well. Hogy, vagy. Hogy, vagy. How you doing? In case we would like to apologize to someone, we can say bocsánat, meaning I'm sorry. Or we can also say bocsi, which is a relatively shorter version, but it is also correct, of course. Bocsánat, boch-ah-nat, it is the longer form, and bocsi, it's kind of like sorry, saying sorry in itself, without saying I am very sorry or something like that. In case we would like to ask someone on the street, we say excuse me. In Hungarian we say elnézést. El-ne-zesht, it's one word, elnézést. Excuse me, can you help me with this or that? Elnézést, tudna segíteni? So the word itself is once again el-ne-zesht, elnézést. It's a little bit different than sorry. And the last phrase I would like to teach you is, do you speak English? Sounding beszélsz angolul in Hungarian. Beszélsz angolul. Beszélsz means do you speak English angolul. Beszélsz angolul. Beszélsz angolul. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? So I hope you liked the video and found it really useful and were able to pick up some useful phrases in Hungarian. As you can see, it took some time to create the video, because in the meantime my hair got shorter as well, but it doesn't matter, I guess. So I just really hope you liked it and will be able to use these phrases and words next time you come and visit me in Budapest. See you soon. Hey, how you doing? Do you speak English?